Follow the step on how to make text style like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by creating a new document. You can follow this artboard size. Press M and make a rectangle for the background. Add a gradient. Lock layer 1 and add a new layer. Prepare the text. Set align center. Change this to white. Go to Object, Envelope Distort, Make with Warp. Set it here. Press E and click Perspective Distort. Move this point. Go to Object and Expand. Pathfinder and Unite. Selection and press Ctrl+C to copy. Go to Edit and paste in back. Change this to black. Go to Object, Path, Offset Path. Check Preview and set it like this. Click and delete the white text. Turn off layer 1. Select and copy. Right-click, Arrange, and send to back. Right-click again, Transform, and click Scale. Set the scale here. Select and press Ctrl+Alt+B to blend. Go to Blend Options and set it like this. Go to Object and Expand. Right-click and ungroup. Press D and slash. Select again, go to Pathfinder and click Unite. Wait for the process. Select and press Shift-X. Go to Edit and paste in front. Turn on layer 1 again. Click this black. Object. Path, Offset Path. Change to white. Click this. Object. Compound Path and make. Go to Fill, Library, Gradients and Metals. Select a gold color. Finish. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.